This is part 4 of...
What the? Oh my god!
He escaped the process of almost dying, but there's more coming.
What the? Weed! Oh my god! There's two! Weed! Oh my god! Weed!
He escaped both of the two ghosts and met up with some people.
The inverted eye. How do you even get inverted? How do you even get inverted eyes? I think you gotta summon him. Ow.
What the?
They got perp eyes. They got perp eyes. They got perp eyes. It's chilling.
It's gonna take
Why is perp eye? No! Oh my god!
Name. Two creatures are deadly and fast, and a lot of times you will not escape.
Inverted eyes. They put a...
He got blinded, but still survived with his friend.
I'm going! 3, 2, 1, go!
I'ma juke him out!
They entered a new place that had a lot of monsters.
I'm in!
Where are you, Jack?
I'm in!
Not even that fast. Why y'all speaking? Oh.
What is this rainbow thing?
That's where he is. I don't know where he is. He just...
A short but fast monster that will chase you at top speed.
You don't want to why? I'm gonna go eat real quick, right? You're fucking pain. There's pain. There's pain. Alright, that's okay. You promise.
He got murdered. He got murdered right there.
Here you go.
What is that?
He just got murdered. He just got murdered.
Run!
Go. He's coming up the house. I'm gonna die.
I'm too fast.
I'm not dying.
What the heck is that?
Your mom doesn't have nothing.
Mama way.
To admin.
Mama. Well, that's content clear.
A, B, C, D,
There's
E,
content clear.
A monster that looked like a boss that is fast and strong to get away.
It's Jump it! Oh my god, I juked it! Run!
Back at you.
Running!
Hey, Bo.
Rio!
How's you again?
There's a party going on at the start.
That's been there since yesterday. Guys, I'm getting inverted eyes.
Dash.
Oh.
I prefer to die.
Oh god!
Just school?
Die. Far away.
I don't.
You are very pretty. Prefer to die. Inverted eyes is under the map. Simon's getting inverted eyes. He's right below.
Yeah, I know he's under the map. I can tell.
Yeah?
Oh,
It's just I don't think he's working right now because I'm right up to him and he's not moving.
Yeah.
Where'd he go?
Far.
Far away.
Yeah.
You are very pretty.
What the?
Yeah. Yeah.
From all of the monster, they have survived, but not for long.